Yo, we just finished auditing and they had like a 5-car crash.
Shit, right away there's a camera right on the back ass of the building. Definitely filming this side of the building.
Don't lose a single
guys.
space.
We ran into Southern California Transparency here, and where the hell are we now?
Right now we're in Costa Mesa. We're actually in the police station. And as you can see, we got a firefighter over there. And over there, we got the city hall. So it's a honeypot.
Perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and get started while we have about an hour and 10 minutes left to walk through some of these spots and go from there.
All right.
Perfect. All right, where do we, entrance on that side, I'm assuming?
Yeah, I think it's on that side because right here it's all blocked off.
Yeah, that's all official, and then the next door is the fire station.
I think that's where they do the fair over there.
What's up?
That's where they do the fair?
I haven't been to the OC fair yet.
No, me neither. I just moved out here a little bit, but
Yeah, we work up here all the time.
We pass it all the time, we just never been.
Yeah.
okay. Last time I went to the city hall and they actually treated pretty nice, so it was good. We got shuttle things right here. The facilities. Take a couple pictures real quick. Chief. Alright, so that's restricted over there. Remember guys, no weapons, no dangerous stuff, only cameras.
Sorry.
Oh, that's open? Oh, thank you. Costa Mesa.
Oh, no, we're just taking some video. Oh, that's sick. That's good.
Yeah, civil stuff? Yeah, we do something. We don't
Oh, wow.
No, I'm good, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
It looks pretty nice in here.
It's like fancy in here. Staircase one.
Probably to the upper levels. Look at that, scan your fingerprint. Got the restrooms over here. The elevator. Female man. You got a trash can.
This is a new publication. It's in our departments.
nice. They're recording us, so we're recording them.
Date, call, and location. Well, that's cool. How often do you guys update this list?
I think it's every night our records department comes out.
I've never seen this before. This is new. It's just out
We
here.
usually have both of them out. So there's the call logs and the arrest records. So,
Yeah, because normally you have to request it from somebody, but this is, I like this. This is
yeah, it's pretty cool.
complete transparency here.
Have a whole list of the arrest records and stuff.
I wonder, man with the camera call. That'll be on tomorrow's. You guys list all the calls on there?
I think it's all the calls for service. Yeah, the only things that are like redacted are if it's like something to do with some kind of.
So we were filming in I think 3 different locations today. People called law enforcement on us for filming in public.
Oh, really?
Those will be on here tomorrow?
If it was called in Costa Mesa, they might.
Nice.
Most likely.
All right, I'll have to come by tomorrow and check out the paper.
We'd have to come back tomorrow and see.
And then the,
I didn't
All the calls that they call.
whole arrest, everything on here.
Disturbance, family fight, disturbance, noise.
Yeah, that's the first thing that there's all that.
Okay.
It even shows the charges on all of them.
For real?
Yeah, that's crazy. Actually, for it to shoplifting. Oh, you guys actually arresting for shoplifting under $1,000 now?
I guess so, yeah.
There was a while that was just getting ignored. I think it still is in San Diego. So this is a nightly. I guess they do this every day. Shows arrests.
That's a lot.
And even down to the incident calls. I'm fascinated by this call log because this is very detailed.
Do a lot of other departments have it or no?
No, I've never. This is the first time I've seen it out here on display. So I know you can get them, but it's usually a FOIA request. And it's probably email it to you after like 10 days. It's a whole process. I've never seen it out here like this. So this is like,
I think we have an online version too.
nice. Yeah, because this is I've never seen this. This is
That's a lot of
crazy.
people.
And it's detailed too.
At least they're keeping track.
Yeah.
That's good.
The only thing missing is the response time.
Probably 1 hour, 2 hours.
I will say this, for whatever reason, and I know it's probably just because they weren't busy at the time, when somebody had called on us at the Cricket store not too far from here, they arrived within like 4 minutes of the I was like, that's the fastest response time ever. It was great. But yeah. Well, that's cool. Thank you guys for being super friendly and professional. Appreciate it.
Oh, they even have an animal impound log right here.
I gotta see this.
They do?
They got the person impound log and the animal impound log.
No way. You got pictures of the animal?
Oh, this is just types of cats. Wow, they impound a lot of dogs.
How do you impound an animal?
Oh, take it. This is one day, bro.
Oh yeah.
The fuck?
How about animals?
Wow.
You're impounding animals every day.
Every day. Oh wait, 2 days with no impounds. That's crazy. That's a lot of. Sheesh. I didn't realize you guys pick up that many animals.
Yeah, they get a lot of calls actually.
That's bizarre. So I had a question about your payment to citation over here. What if you want to dispute the parking tickets?
Yeah, so on the back of the tickets, there's information on how to dispute it, and it's to a third party, so there's a website. If they can't do a website, they come here and they can fill out a form, and then the third party company will come and pick up those forms, and then they'll review them.
Huh, so a private company
I don't know if
is,
it's a private company, but I know it's one that we use, and I think a lot of other cities use it, state of Florida. I don't know if it's a private company or not. It might be some kind of,
do you know the name of it?
it's citation processing.
I actually got the tickets from the same company right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, I got it from the city of Irvine. but it's the same. I think it's the same company, Citation something.
If it's a private
And
company, that's weird, because that's like, it's not in their
jurisdiction.
interest to ever dismiss a ticket, so it's like, it's almost like it's a very biased ticketing situation.
Yeah.
If, I mean, think about it, I mean, if it's a private company, obviously they're gonna err on the side of money.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do my research on that, man. Good thing you brought it
Look into
up.
that. Yeah.
I just remember that because 2 times it's been by the I have to debate it with a third company, well, with a third person, third
It's
party.
crazy, and if it's a private entity, then they're gonna err on the side of money every time, that's crazy. Hopefully it's not private, it is a public company, but I guess we'll find that out, won't we?
Yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. I got 2 in 1 week.
If not, we're gonna go visit it.
Hell yeah.
Wow.
Let me see the public records you're holding.
Well, that's cool. I like that the front desk is very knowledgeable and friendly. There's the police chief, Ronald A. Lawrence. What else is over here?
The city hall as well.
Let's go there. Run down there.
And the fire station is down there as well, right? All right, for sure. Thank you.
guys.
Thank you.
Good day. So yeah, we can go to a city hall, we can go to a fire station, whatever you want.
Yeah. That's crazy that if that's a private agency doing that, that's
Watch, I got the ticket right here.
Never heard of a private company doing that stuff.
That's if it is a private company, that sucks because they're gonna err on the side of money every time. Like that was the issue with the red light cameras in San Diego, is the city of San Diego is getting like 1.5% of the tickets, and the company was taking the rest.
No wonder. Citationportal.com is the website, and but I guess this is a third party company. Watch. Well, pretty much like that website is I think is
We'll have to do some research in it, 'cause that's crazy if it's private.
I'm gonna do my research on it because I never thought about it till you brought it up. I'm like,
That's why you gotta ask lots of questions.
true.
I dispute anything I get because half the time I get dismissed anyway. So.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. If not, I'm probably gonna take it to court and get it dismissed because most of the time they don't even show up to court, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. And just for picking up one person in less than 5 seconds, sound like it. And the crazy part is like there was like 5 other cars doing the same thing as me.
Well, guys, this is a beautiful building that you guys bought the city of Irvine. It was Irvine, right?
No, Costa Mesa.
Sorry.
Irvine is like a little bit east.
So you guys bought this beautiful building for the city of Costa Mesa. This is a long hallway.
Yeah, and then over here we were able to go to the 3rd floor too.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah, we were able to go in the elevator. They got some offices up there.
Tonight's video is going to be interesting.
Yeah, last time they treated me pretty nice, but I came like, just by myself. I don't know if they're gonna react differently if they see more people.
Maybe not. I guess we'll
It's
find
on
out.
this side.
Oh, this side?
Yeah, the entrance is on this side right here.
Alex, I was like, who's going that way?
No, going through the grass. Oh, he's gonna get the memorial. So you guys can remember, guys, last time we came over here, they treated us pretty nice. And but last time I didn't even know this police department was back there till I came the other day, and I saw it pass by. So now we're out here with Impact Media and gonna get some footage out here, see how it goes. There you go.
Alright. City Hall here, guys. surprised they don't have like a water feature in here.
Nah. In some they have it inside. Not in this one though. In Tustin they actually have a fountain inside but without water.
They all saw us coming, they're all hiding.
Is it closed? Yeah, they probably.
Closed alternate Fridays. Wow.
They just probably made it up when they saw us over there.
Well, it says alternate
Well, they
Fridays.
missed the package too, I guess.
Like, lock the doors, lock the doors.
Damn, they missed the package since midday. Damn. I wonder if they're still getting paid for the whole day though.
Damn, I wanted to go in there. Pretty building. Guess we'll come here next time.
We'll be
Not on a
back.
Friday, apparently.
Damn, what does it say? I guess it's closed, guys.
I wonder how many people even noticed that it says Costa Mesa right there.
Where?
The CM.
Oh, I never noticed that. It does, huh?
It just caught my eye. I was like, oh shit.
CM. Damn, I didn't even notice that. And I've been here before. Let me take a picture. That looks nice. There you go. I'm going that way? Let's go that way.
I think they were just trying to go through the path.
Oh, okay. The footage. Oh my God, just adjusted my logo stick.
It's a giant complex, man.
Yeah, it's pretty big. And we can go the way up to the third floor, I believe. Last time I went up to the third or fourth floor.
I ain't never seen a city hall that big.
Oh, wait till you go. Haven't you gone to the one in Dana Point?
No.
I drove by it last time, but you know that's like the big steak, you know, for they leave for last. It's pretty big.
I was too busy dealing with the post office. Bro, we weren't even planning to go to the post office. We just accidentally ran into the post office because we were doing the public audit. It was all bad, bro. Like, that shit is crazy.
Yeah, they don't like cameras, but I mean, it is what it is. You know, they gotta respect the First Amendment.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna see if... No, not there.
It's a beautiful scenery.
What Starbucks were we at earlier? That was crazy. I gotta go back there again.
We gotta stop by that cricket too, though.
Oh yeah, no, that shit was funny. Bro, I can't believe they shut down like that.
They closed all their they
Shut their security doors, everything. It was fucking
For real?
great. When they respond like that, dude, it's always the best.
It's like, but I'm like, why do they respond like that though? I mean, it's good for business, you know. If they're like,
That's what I'm saying. They have an opportunity to come out and be like, hey, how you guys doing? You know, you like some water? I've had so many people lately offer us water and stuff. It's been great.
yeah, there's a lot of nice people out there too.
All right, so there is a drive-through Starbucks if you want to try that.
I'm down if you want to go.
It's 3.5 miles away. It says 11 minutes. But it is Starbucks time again, so it is starting to be that time. Usually get a lot of traffic from there.
They wanted a shopping center there.
Son of a bitch! It is. It's the drive-through dumps right on the street. That's where we want.
Oh, nice.
That address.
450 East 17th Street. All right, for sure.
Yeah, we always get the drive-throughs that just dump right onto the street. And out of 100 cars, we always get 2 or 3 that flip out on us. It's a numbers game, you know what I mean?
All right, 17. All right, got it. Street Costa.
Yeah. What do you use to edit your videos?
Shortcut.
Oh, that app you should be talking about?
Yeah, that one. And sometimes when I edit the thumbnail, I can just do it directly by my phone from the same from the, I guess the gallery app, whatever.
Well,
Yo, we just finished auditing and they had like a 5-car crash. Oh shit. No mommy. Is everybody okay? Dan, you're alright, bro? You good?
The traffic stopped all at once. Like it literally stopped all at once. Like,
Damn. You are okay though? You guys okay?
yeah.
You okay? Damn. 1, 2. Yeah. Damn, no cars. Yo. That one got hit too. Let's get the lights. There's one too right here. From Massachusetts. That's it. Let's see. Got this one out here. Damn. They got hit. I think this one didn't got hit. He just stopped or something. No, I don't think this one got hit. I think this one just stopped. Oh, the police showed up.
Yeah, at least these 4 got hit.
Yeah. And there was another car. You see it drove off?
Yeah. Maybe it didn't have insurance or something. I saw at least some sort of damage because its gas tank was open.
Oh, okay. Then, yeah, they probably didn't have insurance. They drove off.
Probably didn't have insurance, so he left.
I think it was a girl, I think. Oh, damn. I drove in a car just like that one.
Gnarly. Yeah, my car is. They can buff it out.
Yeah. You guys are the ones that got the most damage.
Are you okay?
You got hit as well, sir?
Oh, you should be okay.
Oh, okay, for sure.
Were you guys just filming and just caught it, or what?
Yeah, we were actually coming from the city hall right now. We were on our way. We were heading now, and we just heard a big loud noise, and we just seen the car like boom. We're like, oh,
What are you guys,
dang.
like YouTubers or something?
No, we just record out in public, just our experience. Yeah. And yeah, pretty much that's what we do. And it just so happened to happen.
Oh, okay, well, you guys have fun.
Yeah, thank you as well.
hey, be safe out there, man. This is the 3rd time this has happened at the end of my audit days.
For real?
I've just a wreck's happened right in front of me. I'm like, damn.
I think if people get distracted, they'll be like, hey, they see the cameras, they get distracted or something.
So one was a semi truck flying off the freeway during the rain.
Oh, damn.
That was great.
Hopefully he made it out okay from that one.
Yeah, no, he was fine, but he guaranteed lost his job. He was going too fast on a bend and on a wet freeway. Could have really hurt somebody. Thankfully, he didn't.
Yeah, good thing nothing happened to him either. You look at that clean car.
Young chick driving that.
My girlfriend right there. That's a pretty clean car, huh? One day we'll get one.
All right.
Hell yeah.
Funny, dude. Once you hit your marks, dude, you're gonna start blowing up. Just go through and, you know, if I gotta sit down with you one of these days and show you the thumbnails, that's your biggest mistake right now.
All right.
So
Yeah, because the other thing, I wasn't really putting that much attention to the thumbnails.
well, you gotta.
Since you say it's one of the major things.
You can't do the red text, and you can't do more than 3 words. That's where your thumbnails are never gonna get attention that way. But I'll walk you through all that, man. I'm all about doing, you know, watching people, you know, come up with us. You know what I mean? Like I've never been a selfish person. I'm all about, you know, helping people lift up too. You know?
Yeah, and I appreciate you showing me the numbers because now I see it's like a real deal kind of thing, you know.
And none of the big ones ever share that. So it's something that you don't know because until you get there.
True.
But I started January 2nd.
January 2nd. Yeah.
And my thumbnails are exactly what blew up everything. So go through, look at my thumbnails, and model them if you have to. You know what I mean? Just get new thumbnails going up until you kind of create a new way of doing it for yourself.
All right, for sure. Because now that you mention it, it does make sense that, you know, like from 20 thumbnails, people gotta choose at least one.
Yep.
Gotta make them.
It's got to be the one that stands out, man, and it's always the Karen of the crazy face. So that's the other thing is forget the backgrounds. Like I put some of my kids, like he's doing solid green backgrounds with like different accents. Show them your thumbnails real quick. I use the American flag in a lot of mine, or just post office backgrounds and things. So you see how he's using he picked green as kind of his color. So he's going to be doing green backgrounds, but so you can just Google, you know, on Google, just and he's done purple, all purple.
Oh, purple. Okay.
Yeah. So just Google purple background and then use that as your background for your thumbnails.
All right.
And again, the text has to be really big at the top, and it can't be more than 3 short words or 2 medium-sized words. You got to keep it. Figure out a way to get your point across with those 2 or 3 words really big on top. And don't use text that's wide. Use text that's tall, so it's really big when it goes up.
Yeah, because mine is pretty small on the videos, as you can see.
So if you go through and change, I would take 10 thumbnails a day and just go through and change 10 a day, the most recent, and you'll start seeing the views skyrocket.
Okay, for sure.
Big
But yeah, like I said, when I didn't edit the thumbnails, I noticed when I started editing them a little bit, I noticed they went up a little bit.
Just wait until you got some catchy ones.
Yeah. Yeah, but actually, thanks for sharing the numbers, man. Because like you said, not a lot of people share that, and
it sucks because you're new. I mean, even I was like, damn, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how much it's worth it. As soon as I talked to a YouTuber that showed me his numbers, a whole different ballgame, man. I started taking it very seriously.
Well, that's how I am right now.
I'm doing this every waking hour, man. I wake up, get myself ready, get my coffee, drive all the way the fuck up here, and create content. Go home, sitting in traffic, I don't give a fuck. I get home, eat dinner, lay down, edit videos until I'm about to pass out, upload them all, and do it again the next day.
Yeah, man, because I mean, I'm actually gonna take it really serious, man. And by serious, I mean record more content, you know. Let me pause this. Alright, taking the car.
License plate readers on these trucks, man.
No. Where they at?
The fucking corner of the roof.
Oh, they're license plate readers?
Yeah, they just store license plates.
Oh, damn.
As you
I
drive
actually
by.
thought they were cameras just for face or stuff like that.
So they use theirs for parking. So remember how they used to mark your tires?
Yeah.
They don't do that now. Now they just drive by, it gets them all, categorizes them, and then they drive by the second time, it'll know that car's overstayed.
Okay.
It's crazy, man.
Yeah, that's really high technology right there.
Yeah. Yeah, man. It's always been filmed. Right there.
license plates and everything.
Yeah.
Got this one, 3011 241. They blew it.
And everywhere.
Hell yeah. That's why it's always good to keep the eyes on the road, people. Like, you never know if they're gonna stop out of nowhere or someone's distracted. There we go.
But call your insurance before you do anything. If you need to come get stuff out, come Monday through Friday. Get stuff out for free. You won't have to pay. On the weekend, you'll have to pay.
You're doing good, bro? Pay attention to the road, people. Damn. You can see they cleaned up the mess already. They left that for the coolant. So a couple things out there. Yeah, that was pretty quick. Got the cones back there.
This will help settle an accident right across the street from the police station.
Excuse me?
If I'm gonna get in a wreck, I guess right across the street from the police station is the best place to do it, and the fire department.
They come real quick.
Oh, they probably saw it happen from inside and sent something out.
If any, they probably saw us running. They're like,
Yeah,
what
I was gonna say,
happened?
as soon as they saw us running, I'm sure somebody looked up and like, what's going on?
Got the first view right here. They actually put cones from all the way over here, which is pretty good. Oh, hell yeah. My GoPro's about to die, so I'm probably going to end the video right here. But you know what? It's going to connect. Oh, no, I can't because it's attached. Yeah, GoPro's about to die, so I'm going to continue to film on my phone. Oh, it's pretty cool. Costa Mesa. The incident number. I guess he just got a free ride. Damn, she just tossed him in like whatever. You saw with an attitude. I got that on film too.
Yeah, she did not like being filmed.
Yeah, she did not want to be around us anymore.
Nah.
She got in there and did.
She was ready to go. You're like, I'm out. But I feel bad for the guy.
Yeah, so do I. I was saying that, like,
Well, it
since
sucks because that's all his fault.
yeah, he
So
was on the
his
back of the
insurance-
line. He was the last person to make contact. It's gonna be his fault.
Yeah.
His insurance is none gonna be too happy.
You're like, nope, you're the one that hit him.
Well, the camera was in the